Welcome to Guru Team Services. In this video, we are going to discuss about Wix website. This is a music website we have developed for one of our client. He is selling his music, as you can see. The complete website is mobile friendly and user friendly. As you can see, we have also set a free trial music, and if the user like, he can purchase any music file and he can use it for his own purposes. Here is a menu bar and a few menu pages are linked with Anchor. This one button is also connected to the bottom section with Anchor.
This second button is also connected to another page called Music. On this music page, a visitor can see the music files and also can purchase which are enlisted. This music files have free demo and also paid music file. And this is live preview of the website. Here is how to edit website name or company name and change it to your website name. Just click on edit text and type your own and hit enter key. You can also place here your website logo. Now come to bottom section and select the part that you want to edit. Click on it and edit text and type your own text. You can change font size, you can also change the text color. You can also align your text according to your need. Here are all options you can use to customize your text. Here is how to change Wix website page background. Just click on the Change Background button. Then click on Image. Choose any image you want to use. And click on OK. Your background will be changed. You can also use different colors as background. You can select any video as background and overlay it to show the text clearly.
If you want your business website or any e-commerce website, we are offering services of web development, website SEO and digital marketing to grow your business. You can contact us anytime to discuss your project. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Thanks.